70% of cars on US roads are running with hidden ECU glitches right now. Hesitation, rough idle, poor gas mileage, even brand new cars aren't safe. I've reset ECUs on 2024 models with error counts that would make most drivers panic. So, is your car acting up? Stick around, because by the end of this video, I'll give you a bonus hack that can help your car pass inspection immediately after a reset. Let's dive in. Method 1. Battery disconnect. Most people think disconnecting a battery is simple, but done wrong, it can fry fuses, trigger airbags, or lock your radio. Step 1. Car off, keys out, parked flat. Step 2. Locate the battery terminals. Negative is black with a minus, positive is red with a plus. Step 3. Always loosen negative first, then remove positive. Step 4. Press your brake pedal for 15 to 20 seconds to bleed leftover juice from the ECU. Step 5. Wait 20 to 30 minutes. Some pros even wait an hour for a full reset. Step 6. Reconnect positive first, then negative. Snug clamps are critical. Done right, your car's brain is back to square one. Fuel trims, idle settings, and short-term memory all cleared. Watch out for pitfalls. Some radios need codes, newer cars may reset alarms or immobilizers, and corroded terminals must be cleaned. A careful battery reset can save hundreds in mystery repairs. Method 2. OBD2 tool reset. The OBD2 port is your car's diary, recording every stumble, misfire, and fault. Instead of yanking the battery, plug in a simple scanner. Step 1. Grab any OBD2 scanner. Step 2. Find the trapezoid-shaped port under your dash. Step 3. Turn the key to on, not start. Step 4. Read and save codes before clearing. Step 5. Erase the codes. Your check engine light goes dark, ECU memory resets. Remember, if the issue persists, the light returns. Stored, pending, and permanent codes all tell a story. Freeze frame data shows exactly what the engine was doing. Always read before erasing or you risk masking real problems. Method 3. Fuse pull reset. Not every reset needs a battery pull. Your fuse box is a city of secrets. Step 1. Find the ECU, ECM, PCM, or EFI fuse. Step 2. Keys out, use a plastic puller or taped pliers. Step 3. Pull the fuse gently and set aside. Step 4. Wait a few minutes, press the brake to bleed residual charge. Step 5. Replace the fuse snugly. The ECU is back to default. Idle may bounce, shifts may feel off, but that's normal as it relearns. Pull the wrong fuse, airbags or ABS could go offline. Always double check. Method 4. Ignition or key cycle reset. No tools, no battery, no fuses, just your hands. Step 1. Key to on, dash lights up, engine off, hold 10 seconds. Step 2. Turn off, wait, repeat 3 to 5 cycles. This drains volatile memory and reinitializes the ECU. Works on many cars without losing presets, but some require manufacturer-specific sequences or pedal presses. Method 5. Pedal ignition relearn sequences. Some manufacturers hide pedal dances to reset throttle, idle, or oil life monitors. Nissan, Toyota, GM, they all have unique sequences. Timing is everything. Press the pedal, turn the key, wait, repeat. Do it right and the ECU relearns. Miss a beat and nothing happens. Always check your manual. Method 6. Throttle body and idle relearn with drive cycle. Resetting the ECU is half the battle. Post-reset relearn is where most fail. Step 1. Clean the throttle plate. Step 2. Idle with no load, let it warm 10 to 15 minutes. Step 3. Proper drive cycle. City 25 to 35 miles per hour, stretch to 45 to 55 miles per hour, then highway 60 miles per hour. ECU relearns fuel trims, throttle position, transmission shifts, and idle. Skip this and your car may stall or fail monitors. Avoid AC or electronics during the cycle. Method 7. Dealer reflash or advanced scan tool. When home resets aren't enough, professional reflashes wipe corrupted data, update firmware, and reset adaptations like transmission learning or throttle calibration. It costs more but guarantees your car runs on the latest code. Bonus tip. After any ECU reset, readiness monitors are wiped. Head straight to an inspection and you'll fail. Complete a proper drive cycle under varying conditions, highway, city, idle with AC, to reset monitors before testing. There you have it. 7 proven ECU reset hacks that save money, time, and headaches. And if you want your AC to blow twice as cold after a reset, I've got a simple trick waiting in the next video. Click now and watch. Your car will thank you.